Please like, hit that button, and please hit that button. Subscribe.
Wait, what?
That was cool. Keep that in there too. Wait, what? That was cool.
No. I'm not keeping wait, what?
Wait, what? Gentlemen, we're at 36,000, man. Congrats. That's just pretty cool, man.
Nah,
that's just pretty fucking cool, man.
Thanks to all of these guys right here, man. We live.
We live?
Hold on.
I was talking off camera. I didn't know we were live.
We live, man.
That's the beauty of live time. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Welcome back, y'all.
Happy New Year's. Guys, we just want to say thank you. We're past 35,000. We're at 36
That's
right
pretty
now.
incredible, man.
36.5.
I don't take it for granted.
At all, man. You guys are amazing. We appreciate you. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We react to comedies. We react to different singers around the world, compilations. This video is going to be a little different. A few people wanted us to answer some questions from them.
Oh, really?
Yep. So
more about me and Gus, probably.
Yeah, I'm sure they want to know about y'all.
That's right. They do. They do.
Oh,
they do. Certain
guys, we're gonna try to have this as a new segment. So
and ladies.
When I say guys, I mean guys and ladies.
I got new glasses, by the way.
Bruh.
They didn't notice.
They look cool, man.
Great looking glasses, sexy specs. Listen, guys. If you have any questions you want to ask us, leave it down in the comment section. We're gonna start a new segment where we, pull some of the best questions that you guys give us, and we're gonna reply to them.
Make it fun too, man.
Make them personal.
Make them fun questions.
It could be about relationship advice.
Relationship advice.
You got 3 guys here, so if you're a female and you have a boyfriend and you got a question about him, you got 3 guys here.
You do not want advice from him. You do not.
You got 3 guys here. I'm gonna give you the real.
Life is stuck.
It could be something fun. It could be something light. We're gonna run through a few of them. Let's see what it's about, guys. Let's
should be fun. Should be fun.
First question. This actually is a great question. This was from Ryan Hyatt, man. Ryan's been with us for the longest, man. Since probably like 1,000 subs.
Yeah, he's a
cool.
He's been with us for a long time, man.
Thank you.
He wants to know. He says, why was Brian allowed to cheat on the Family Guy? Try not to laugh and not drink the hot sauce. He says, love you, Brian, but you lost badly. At least he didn't break the camera.
Great question.
I kind of agree with you.
Kinda.
Not true. My earplugs were malfunctioning at the time. That wasn't a pause. That wasn't a ploy.
Jeez, I'll read 1984.
Pause a second. Pause a second.
No, take this fucking down. Take this fucking down. No.
But true. I did say timeout, which I'm wrong. But my timeout, my earplugs is equivalent to this, and his. That's all I'm gonna say. If I knew I needed legal representation,
This is from Grace.
Grace.
Hi, Grace.
Let me move aside.
No, the real name.
Grace. Grace. There you go, Grace. That's what you really want, Grace.
The real name is this is her real name. Grace, Gus avid fan. The break room. She really only here for Gus.
We're jealous. Jason.
She likes all of us, man.
No.
She does. Grace, I know.
She wants to know, what do you think is the most important thing in maintaining a friendship, and what is your all-time favorite memory?
Being loyal. Good times and bad.
Yeah,
Honesty, good times and bad.
Gotta keep it real.
If they give you a really confidential moment or secret, take it to your grave. No, I'd say, integrity, honesty.
I agree.
Integrity, honesty.
Give them the hard
Loyalty.
truth when they're right and when they're wrong. When they're wrong, give them the hard truth.
You gotta keep it real with them, man.
Yeah.
I say loyalty. I would say, I don't know what the word is, but it's just automatically I know that if I need something, I can,
I can count on you.
Or whoever it is, and that's not even a question. It's gonna be done. Somebody that want to see you succeed, and with no hatred in their heart, like they really want to see you make it.
No hating,
right?
Exactly.
On a side note, somebody funny, somebody same interest as you too, man.
No, right. Obviously,
for me, I don't mess with no cornballs except for this guy. But if you're a funny dude, we cool.
Right. So the same interest.
Yeah.
Gotta be
interest,
right.
Of course.
You can't sacrifice,
But for sure, the integrity, honesty for me, number 1.
Yeah.
This is from Nick Reacts.
Who?
Nick Reacts.
Okay.
2021.
Gotcha.
What advice would you give to someone wanting to start a reacting to videos today on YouTube, and what apps would help doing it from your phone?
Find if you gotta have somebody else, you need to have chemistry. We have chemistry with each other. You gotta find people that are not just friends, but they're supporting you. They're supporting you. If you're gonna do it by yourself, it's kind of tough. I understand. If you're a personality, if you're honest with yourself, if you believe in yourself, you can do it. But find your niche. If your niche is photography, if your niche is music, if your niche is comedy, find your niche and comment on it and react. And the people are gonna gravitate to what you're saying, what you're showing, and they're gonna gravitate to your realness.
And they're gonna steer you in the right direction too. For us, I can speak for us. Our subscribers helped us with a lot of videos, man. They pointed us to all over the freaking world. They got us, man.
Yep. Very good point.
I would say,
just do it, man. Just take that leap too. Just don't even fuck around and go for it.
I agree with that right there. Just go. In the beginning, you're gonna be questioning stuff, and people are going to question you when you do it. You just got to know what you want to do,
believe in
and
yourself,
just keep going. Yeah. And eventually, those people that's telling you, "Oh, what are you doing?" is gonna be, on the other side of that.
In our case, I think our viewership, our subscribers, because they see our realness, they see our chemistry, they see our, at the end of the day, we'll ride or die for each other,
I would say brainstorm, obviously, before you're going to do your homework. Brainstorm, do your homework. Like you said, find your little niche or whatever the case is that you want to carve out or that you think you're good at. If you don't have a personality for it, don't do it. You got to have a certain personality for it. I'm not saying we all have the greatest personalities, but I think all three of us together make a good team.
Yeah. And go out your comfort zone. I would never listen to a Dimash if it wasn't for these guys or our viewers.
Right. Don't
I would
be
never
afraid.
listen to a Casey Tarrington, but your viewers are going to give you information and give you a wealth of stuff to talk about.
Will.
Trust you.
Mm-hmm. And just be real and be authentic.
That's very true.
I think people can see through it. You know what I'm saying? We are not, man, we do not fake any reaction. We do not fake any, we don't watch videos we kind of really don't want to watch. Mm-hmm. We don't do that stuff. And if we watch a video and we don't like it, we will tell you guys, we do not like this song. We do not like this comedian. We're going to be real with you guys, man.
Yep.
Don't sell yourself out. People
don't do it for viewership. Don't do it for subscribers. Do it for yourself.
Do it for fun.
And
for fun. There you go.
The reaction will come.
You got to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Have to.
As far as the other question, as far as can you do it on your phone, I'm sure you can record yourself on the phone. What app would you be able to use?
I don't know about it.
I wouldn't be able to help you out with that, man. We have a Nikon D55 some camera that we use, and we have a like a broadcaster type XSplit broadcaster that we use.
Our setup is takes an hour, half hour to set up because it's how do I say it? We're giving you a product that we believe in. We're not gonna give you a half-butt product. Neither are you, but. You want to give someone the viewers respect, and I gotta give Jason props. Most of his brainstorming, his talent, is all him. So it's out of love, and it represents your name.
Right. So there's nothing that you want to know that you can't find out right now on Google or YouTube. If I was you, I would YouTube that question about mobile apps and how do you I don't know if you can, honestly. I don't know if you can use a phone or whatever the case is for that. YouTube it. Google it. That's how we started out. We had no clue of what the hell we were doing.
Get a backdrop and do your room. Do it in your room, man.
Which adds to that. Also, for the first question, have a little bit of patience too.
Yeah.
In the beginning, it's going to be a little slow. It's going to be a little rough.
Mm-hmm. But you got to make mistakes.
Yeah, you got to push through that.
You got to grow through your mistakes.
Going, yep.
Fatal. He changed his name. His name is now Death Note.
What's up?
I don't know what's up.
Very positive young man. Failed Death Note. We're moving on.
Fatal Finality was his first name.
Yeah. I remember
He's been with us from the rip.
No, he's been with us for the longest. He's been with us for the longest. And he was always, I don't know, he started slipping lately, but he's always the first person to reply.
He was, yeah. Come on.
To leave a comment. He was the first person.
What's his name?
Death Note.
Step it up, sir.
He asks, this is a good question.
Why are we here? Why live?
He says, it's awesome to see y'all are thinking about doing this. The question thing, right? I've always been wondering, how did y'all meet up? And do y'all plan on bringing back the Storytime vids?
Storytime vids or rants? Storytime, yours is Storytime. Mine were rants.
He said Storytime vids, man. Rants. But
I got rants always.
He's got rants up there.
Always rants, man.
Always. How do we all meet?
The older you get.
We met At work.
Went to work.
Leave it at that.
Yeah.
We ain't gonna say where we work at because we just don't want people bothering us at work.
That's right.
We work at a high traffic
Signing
area.
autographs.
Yep.
But we don't want people
A lot
bothering
of customer
us.
service.
Right. We don't want people bothering us at work. But we met at work 10 years ago. All of us. 10 years ago.
Man. It's crazy.
I can't believe it's been 10 years, man. That
right.
shit.
Time
Crazy.
flies.
Man.
10 years ago, we met at work. Instantly, me and this dude here, don't
Hey,
touch
don't
me.
touch
Don't
me,
ever
dog.
touch my hand, you
Fuck,
boy.
I'm about to say something.
Boy.
I'm about to say
Do
something,
not touch
dog.
my hand again.
Continue,
You can't take a
sir.
picture with Jason hold his shoulders. Yeah.
Listen, me and the guy at the end, Brian,
Goddamn.
we
10.
instantly we clicked and was laughing at things and making jokes in training.
Day one.
In training. Dying laughing.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then right when we got out of training is when we pretty much met Gus. And for 10 years,
Yeah, man.
I've been trying to shake this guy, but fuck.
What?
Get away from me,
Yeah,
boy!
look at you, dog. Look
This
at
guy
you.
trying to shake me.
Come on, man.
Hey,
blow up, man.
But it just clicked. It was like it's just a. I mean, that's just the way it is, man. Was that another question for him? What did he say? Oh, the story time. I don't know, man. We stopped. Honestly, we ran out of stories. Those stories, I don't know if you guys ever saw them before. Go back to the earlier vids, man.
They were true.
Those story times was 100% real.
Oh yeah.
Nothing was made up about those stories.
Really.
And we don't want to put out a story that's just going to be like, oh, I tripped and fell. And
For attention,
it's
yeah.
embarrassing.
For attention.
Or make up a story.
Yeah.
So those stories were real and authentic. They look funny and fake because we put clips behind them and made them look funny. They're 100% real on everything. There's no made up about it.
Yeah.
So we kind of ran out of stories. Like we didn't want to just throw out something.
Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. We wouldn't do that. Yeah.
Right. We didn't want to throw out a trash story, and we also didn't want to throw out a fake story.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we kind of stopped, man. This is from Josker, Joscar. Josker.
What's going on?
He says, "Hello, BGJ. Quick question: of the stand-up comedians you acted in, I guess watched, which of them I guess hit you the hardest, or which one of them is your favorite?"
Well, there's like a 20-year, 15-year age difference here with me and these two gentlemen. My taste is we all like funny. You gotta be funny. Black, white, male, female, young, old. If you're funny, boom, you're in. But my favorites are guys, that didn't get a lot of, we don't do it for viewership, we don't do it for attention. Bill Burr is great. Chappelle is great. Moments of losing it, could be Triumph the Dog or Bill Burr. But I'd say Patrice, Chappelle, Bill Burr, Triumph. I love George Carlin.
Okay, Jesus Christ. Which one was your favorite vid that we did as far as comedians?
Lavelle Crawford.
Well,
Lavelle. Both Lavelles. Paula Dean and Grocery Shopping.
my favorite comedian is Dave Chappelle, but since I kind of knew about him, these guys kind of put me on the Patrice comedy, and to me, Patrice got me dying laughing consistently. Every video got me dying laughing.
Yeah.
My favorite comedian is Chappelle, Patrice, they're up there. Lavelle. And there's a lot of you guys that didn't watch that video or his videos.
Two of them. You gotta watch them.
Yes, two. Grocery Shopping
And Paula Dean.
Yeah. Lavelle
when he's on.
almost killed me.
Yeah, Lavelle will hurt you.
Pound for pound, the laughter in those videos.
Yeah.
He's
right.
To me,
Reaction?
He's number one.
Reaction? No, I'm sorry. To your question, reaction here, Lavelle. Then
Go
Burr.
pound for pound, yeah.
Then Burr. The Burr with the apples, 20, 35 more apples.
Right.
That crushed us, that Triumph.
Guys, thanks for the questions. That was
Great questions.
We're gonna keep doing this segment.
They're very different.
We're gonna keep doing this segment. If you want us to answer some of your questions, leave it down in the comment section, guys. We're gonna pull the best questions. We're gonna reply to them. If you don't tell us not to say your name, we're giving your name out. Just letting you know.
There's no dumb questions. Whatever you want to ask.
Relationship,
creative,
work,
anything.
whatever. Problem with your neighbor, anything you want to know, man. Let us know, man. We're gonna reply to
Put
it.
rat poison in that mailbox.
We appreciate you guys as always, man. Thanks.
Happy New Year,
Happy
2021.
New Year, man.
Yep.
Glad to be here.
New
We're
Year,
here with
man.
you.
Let's get rid of this COVID shit.
Stay with us.
Man.
Yes.
Let's go. We'll see you next time, guys.
Thanks for watching.